how much should you actually spend on 600W LED grow lights? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, SANSI Grow Light Bulb. Let's kick things off with the SANSI Grow Light Bulb. Priced at $33.26, this 36W bulb packs a punch with its full-spectrum 4000K light. If you want to boost your indoor plant growth without burning a hole in your wallet, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the secondary optical design offers a PPFD of 265.58 μmol/s/m2 at just 1 foot away, which means your plants will get the light they need without wasting energy. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 2,500 reviews, many users praise its efficiency and longevity, with a lifespan of up to 25,000 hours. Here's the thing though, it's designed to prevent electrical hazards and is ETL listed, so I think the benefits outweigh that concern, especially for home growers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and reliable solution for small indoor gardens. Skip this one if you need high-intensity light for larger grow areas, but for the price, it's a steal. Product number 2, Barina Plant Grow Lights. Next up, we have the Barina Plant Grow Lights. At $89.99 for a set of 6/4 FT strips, this is a more comprehensive option. If you want a full-spectrum solution that covers a larger grow area effectively, this is definitely worth considering. These lights provide a bright 5000K daylight, which is ideal for plant growth and blooming. With a brightness of 2100 lumens and 252W total consumption, it replaces traditional 1400W bulbs, making it super energy efficient. The V-shaped reflector design increases light intensity by 17–20%, ensuring your plants get maximum exposure. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the installation is a breeze and totally worth the hassle for the results you'll achieve. This is perfect for you if you have a larger indoor garden or greenhouse. Skip this if you're only growing a few plants, as it might be overkill for smaller setups. Product number 3, Belux 1000W LED Grow Light. The Belux 1000W LED Grow Light is next, coming in at just $37.99. This option caught my attention for its dual chips and efficient design. If you want a budget-friendly light for versatile plant growth, this is worth checking out. It's designed to replace traditional 1000W HPS lights while consuming only 110W, making it a great energy saver. The full-spectrum light includes more red LEDs, potentially increasing your yield by up to 50%. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 890 reviews, users appreciate its efficient cooling system that helps prevent overheating. Now, some users noted that it lacks a dimming feature, which could be a downside for more advanced growers. But if you're just starting out or growing on a smaller scale, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly light that still offers great performance. Skip this if you're seeking more control over light intensity, as it's pretty basic in that regard. Product number 4, VIVOSUN Lumilight 200W. Now, let's talk about the VIVOSUN Lumilight 200W, priced at $139.99. This one really stands out for its smart dimming feature. If you want a light that adapts to your plant's needs, this is a fantastic option. This light provides a full spectrum from seedling to bloom, which supports healthy growth and optimizes yields. Plus, you can control it via a mobile app for ultimate convenience. It's rated at 4.6 stars from 4,600 users, indicating that many people are satisfied with its performance. However, some users pointed out that it could be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. But if you have a dedicated area or a larger tent, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you value smart technology in your grow setup. Skip this if you're cramped for space or need something more compact. Product number 5, Spider Farmer SF1000. Lastly, we have the Spider Farmer SF1000, priced at $62.99. This one's known for its efficiency and quality. If you want a reliable light that won't let you down, definitely give this one a shot. With upgraded LEDs that produce a full spectrum, it's perfect for all growth stages. With a whopping 4.6 stars from over 12,300 reviews, it's a crowd favorite for a reason. Some users mentioned that it doesn't have the strongest cooling system, but honestly, if you're not pushing it to the max, it should perform just fine. This is perfect for you if you have a 2x2 or 3x3 tent and want something effective and affordable. Skip this if you're looking for something that can handle larger setups, or if you're in a very hot environment. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly SANSI Grow Light to the high-tech VIVOSUN Luma Light, each of these options has unique benefits tailored to different needs. Whether you're a casual grower or serious about indoor gardening, there's something in this list for you.